number of times. The late got 30 students, so that's quite nice. It's worked out the total. I always like a total column or total row anyhow. It says that's 30, I can always just check. Work out the mean number of times. Well, it's not the approximate mean because I know the exact numbers. It's not a range here. 11 were late, 0, so that means I want an F, a frequency times the value of things, and 11 times 0 is 0. Lots of people make the mistake of putting down 11. 8 ones are 8. I've got 6 2s, so that'll be 12. I haven't got any 3s, so that'll be nothing. I've got 3 4s, which will be 12, and 2 5s is 10. If I add up all those, I get 42, and the mean is the total divided by how many. And the how many is, be careful, so total is 42. How many, it's not these ones here, it's the total number of numbers, because there were 8 ones, for example. I need to divide by 30. I've got a calculator. It's 1.4 for 3 marks. If more than 15% of them are late, then he sends a thing home, a letter home. So 2 ways of doing this. 24 late out of 140, that's a fraction. If I times that by 100%, that will give me a percentage, and that gives me 17.1%. That's more than 15%, and so autumn is definitely one of them. Okay, do exactly the same thing for this one. 19 divided by 116 times by 100%, and I'll fill in those answers. And you can see the spring is also bigger than 15%, so spring's included, and the summer term, that's less than 15%, so that one's okay. Don't need any letters about that one. There's another way of doing it, and that would be to work out what 15% of 140 is. Okay, so I'll just do it on here. 15% of 140, you could do the calculator, divide by 100 times by 15. That will give me 21. This will give me 17.4, and this one will give me 19.2. And this is what you'll be allowed. 15% on the autumn would be 21 lates. Hey, but we had 24 lates. That's bad. Letter home. 17.4. That's what 15% would be. Actually 19 late. Again, letter home. 19.2. That's what 15% of it is. And that's actually, you're allowed more. There only were 15 late. And so therefore this one, you'll be fine. Because you were allowed 19.2. And it's okay. So autumn and spring. But personally, you really shouldn't be that late anyhow. Done.